Out in the wild, knowing where you are is everything. Maps are your lifeline. They tell you where you are, where you need to go, and what's in between. A map is a powerful tool. It can get you out of trouble and lead you to safety. Imagine this. You're lost in a dense forest. Panic sets in, but wait, you have a map. This changes everything. Suddenly you have the power to navigate, to find your way. Knowing how to read a map is essential for any adventurer. Maps have their own language, a system of symbols that represent real-world features. Think of it like a code to crack. Lines might be rivers or trails, circles might be campsites or peaks. Learning these symbols is key to understanding a map. A blue line usually means water, a brown line might be a contour line showing elevation. Different colors on a map tell a story about the terrain. Coordinates are like an address system for the planet. They pinpoint your exact location. Latitude lines run east to west, longitude lines run north to south. To use coordinates, you need a map with a grid system. Find the latitude and longitude of your location. These numbers will guide you. With practice, you can become a pro at using coordinates. You can even make your own basic maps. Start with a sketch of the area, add landmarks, include any important features. Mark north on your map. This helps you orient yourself. Remember, a simple map is better than no map at all. Drawing your own map can improve your map reading skills.